prove that cosecant A divided by cosecant A minus 1 plus cosecant A by cosecant A plus 1 is equal to 2 secant square A. LHS is equal to cosecant A divided by cosecant A minus 1 plus cosecant A divided by cosecant A plus 1 is equal to cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A divided by 1 by sin A minus 1 plus cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A divided by 1 by sin A plus 1 is equal to 1 by sin A plus 1 minus sin A divided by sin A plus 1 by sin A divided by 1 plus sin A by sin A is equal to 1 by sin A into sin A by 1 minus sin A plus 1 by sin A into sin A by 1 plus sin A is equal to, here sin A cancel, 1 by 1 minus sin A plus 1 by 1 plus sin A is equal to 1 plus sin A plus 1 minus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is equal to sin A cancel, 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin square A is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A is equal to 2 into 1 by cos square A is equal to secant square A is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.